Welcome to AutoNerveX today. We dive into the future of ultra-luxury with the 2026 Cadillac Celestiq, a handcrafted electric flagship that redefines what a luxury car can be. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling work of art designed to elevate Cadillac back to the top of the premium game. Let's begin with its stunning design. The 2026 Celestiq is unlike anything Cadillac has ever built. Sculpted with dramatic lines, a long sleek body, and futuristic lighting signatures, it commands attention from every angle. The seamless glass roof flows into the rear, while the illuminated front grille and vertical LED headlights give it a bold, unmistakable presence, a fusion of heritage and innovation. Hand-built from the ground up, each Celestiq is a bespoke creation. The body panels, lights, and interior elements are crafted with precision and personalized to each buyer's taste. This level of detail and customization hasn't been seen since the coach-building era, and Cadillac is bringing that tradition back in electric form. Underneath the elegance lies GM's Ultium platform, delivering dual-motor all-wheel drive, over 600 horsepower, and an estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The Celestiq offers a projected range of over 300 miles, along with advanced adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering, ensuring an unbelievably smooth, composed ride. Step inside, and you enter a sanctuary of innovation. The dashboard is a full-width 55-inch digital display, seamlessly integrated into the minimalist yet ultra-luxurious cabin. With individual infotainment for front and rear passengers, premium leather, hand-woven textiles, and real metal and wood trim, every inch is crafted for indulgence. One of the most mind-blowing features, the smart glass roof, the largest in the industry, which can be individually tinted in 4 zones. That means each passenger can choose their own light level. Pure luxury meets cutting-edge tech. The Celestiq also brings next-gen autonomy. With Ultra Cruise, Cadillac's advanced driver assistance system capable of hands-free driving on most roads. Combine that with over-the-air updates and intelligent navigation, and you have a car that thinks for itself while pampering its passengers. Cadillac isn't just making a car, they're building a flagship meant to rival Rolls-Royce and Bentley. With a limited production run and prices expected to start around $300,000. The 2026 Celestiq isn't for everyone, and that's exactly the point. It's a declaration, a statement that American luxury is back, bold and electric. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share AutoNerveX, where the future of driving comes alive. Thank you very much.